The provinces of Hunan and Zhejiang in China have been hit hard by flash floods caused by torrential rains from tropical storm Gaem. The heavy rains led to widespread destruction and loss of life, with dikes breaching, mudslides occurring, and residential areas being inundated. In Hunan province, the situation was particularly severe. The Wanshui River in Jiangtan County breached its dikes in 2 sections, forcing the evacuation of over 3,000 residents. Floodwaters inundated homes, destroyed infrastructure, and severely disrupted daily life. In Zhejiang City, 4 villages reported 4 deaths and 3 missing persons due to the sudden and overwhelming floodwaters. Additionally, a mudslide in a nearby village claimed 3 more lives, bringing the total death toll in Hunan province to 22, with several others still missing. The impact of the flash floods extended beyond the immediate loss of life. Hundreds of homes were damaged or destroyed, leaving thousands homeless. Local government and rescue teams worked tirelessly to evacuate more than 11,000 people from the affected areas. The floodwaters also caused significant damage to agricultural lands, raising concerns about food security in the region. The economic impact of the disaster is expected to be substantial, with rebuilding and recovery costs likely to run into millions of dollars. In Zhejiang province, the situation was equally catastrophic. The heavy rains caused the Hunan River reservoir to open more floodgates to release water, leading to the evacuation of over 16,000 people in Jiande, Tonglu County and Fuyang district.
放水了，放红了，泄洪了。它泄洪了，它也不搞个预警啊！
Floodwaters submerged homes, disrupted transportation networks, and caused widespread power outages. Local authorities declared a state of emergency and mobilized all available resources to assist in rescue and relief efforts. The flash floods in Hunan and Zhejiang are a stark reminder of the increasing frequency and intensity of extreme weather events due to climate change. The affected regions are now grappling with the immediate aftermath of the disaster, including providing shelter and basic necessities to the displaced population. Local governments, along with national and international aid organizations, are working to ensure that affected communities receive the support they need to rebuild their lives. The Chinese government has also pledged substantial financial aid to support the recovery and rebuilding process. However, the road to recovery will be long and challenging, with many families having lost everything in the floods. As the affected regions begin the arduous task of rebuilding, it is crucial to learn from this tragedy and implement strategies to mitigate the impact of future extreme weather events.